Hi, welcome to another edition of Snom-TV. Today I've got the M90 handset for you, which is part of the Snom DECT revolution, and I'd like to do a little unboxing here with our new addition to the Snom product portfolio, and let's have a look what's inside. So first of all, we have the handset itself at the top. We can take it out and have a closer look at this. As you can see, it's white in color. The idea of this is that it fits in nicely into medical environments. It also features an antibacterial coating, so that's also ideal for hospitals, healthcare environments, anywhere where hygiene is a critical factor. In addition, it's up to the standard of IP65. This means you can drop it from a height of 2 meters. You can splash it with water, you can cover it in dust, and it will carry on working. So it's ruggedized and it's perfect for very demanding environments, which you can sometimes also find in hospitals, of course. In addition, it's got an alarm button on the top. I don't know if you can see that. There's like a red alarm button there, which can trigger an alarm when necessary. If this phone is connected to an alarm server as well, then you can also implement a multitude of scenarios, alarm scenarios, which can be very critical in certain situations. It features a vibrating call alert, so you can switch off the ringtone, which might be useful in certain situations, I would imagine, in the healthcare industry. And it also has Bluetooth, so you can attach a headset, a Bluetooth headset, for example, to it. And it's also got a little an adapter here, so you can actually plug in some headphones here. I think here on the side you can actually plug in your headphones as well. I think we need something to, there we go. So you can plug in headphones into there if you need to keep your hands free. So all in all, that's an ideal device for the healthcare industry. Let's have a look at what else we've got in here. We also have a base station in a clinical white color. It features a USB slot on the side so that you can actually charge up a separate device. So 2 devices can be charged from the one base station, one in here and one via the USB slot. The actual charging works via USB as well. And the phone itself has a standby time of up to 200 hours, that's 10 days, with a talking time of up to 12 hours in wideband, and I think 17 hours in shortband audio quality. So I think that covers most shifts in a hospital. And yeah, so that's the M90. It works with the Snom M900 multi-cell base station, as well as the M700 multi-cell base station, and in addition to that, the M300 single-cell base station. So you can implement that in a number of different scenarios. So it could be like a slightly smaller clinic, for example, with the single cell, or anything up to thousands of phones in a much larger installation across many hospital wards, for example. So that's the M90 handset, and if you want to find out more about that, please visit our website at snom.com. You can download the data sheet from there to get all of the specs and find out a lot more information about this phone than I can tell you in this short video. Please feel free to like and share this video, and if you have any comments or criticisms, then please put them in the comments section below. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.